This is a new gaming monitor from Dell. The Dell S2721DGF is yet another 27-inch 1440p gaming monitor based on a nano IPS panel with a wide color gamut and rapid 1ms GTG pixel response time speed. It has fully ergonomic stand and rich connectivity options. To make their model more unique, Dell offers 165Hz factory overclock along with their characteristic well-built design and executive connectivity option. The Dell S2721DGF will mostly attract Xbox console gamers as it's one of the rare 1440p 144Hz gaming monitor that simultaneously supports the 1440p 120Hz mode and FreeSync on the Xbox One XS and Xbox Series XS. Let's talk about the image quality of this monitor. To start with, the monitor covers 98% of the DCI-P3 color space, which is equivalent to 135% sRGB. This results in vibrant and vivid colors, especially when it comes to red and greens. Moving on, this monitor features a WQHD resolution with 2560 by 1440p, which results in high pixel density of 109 ppi. As a result, you get crisp details and text, as well as plenty of screen real estate without any scaling necessary. For most users, it's the pixel density sweet spot. Let's talk about the performance of this monitor. This monitor supports adaptive sync via both AMD's FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA's G-Sync compatible technologies. FreeSync works over both display ports 48 to 165Hz and HDMI 48 to 144Hz. You can also use it with the Xbox consoles, in which case the VRR range is 48 to 120Hz at 1440p. If you have a compatible NVIDIA graphic card, you can also use FreeSync VRR but only over DisplayPort. You will also need the latest drivers for optimal performance. The Dell monitor offers a rapid 1 millisecond GTG response time in speed. There are 3 overdrive modes: fast, super fast and extreme. The extreme mode is too aggressive and introduces too much overseen ghosting. The super fast mode works much better as it prevents trailing behind fast moving objects without adding overshoot across the entire refresh rate range. Let's talk about the design and connectivity of this monitor. The stand of this monitor is sturdy and versatile, up to 130mm height adjustment. You can tilt the monitor. Also, you can have a survival mode to 90-degree angle. If you prefer not to use stand supplied with the monitor, you can use this monitor as a desk mount or wall mount using the standard 100 by 100mm VESA mount compatibility. The IPS panel is anti-glare coated, which effectively eliminates reflection without making the picture appear grainy. Connectivity options include 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 1 display port, a quad USB 3-point hub, headphone jack, and audio line output port. The Dell 2721DGF price usually range from $450 to $550. It's the best monitor for the Xbox Series X Series S for competitive gaming and most importantly 1440p 120Hz plus FreeSync support. The Dell 2721DGF is an excellent gaming monitor thanks to its high pixel density, vibrant colors, quick response time, and of features including VRR up to 165Hz. The main disadvantage I think of this monitor is lack of sRGB mode, but if you don't mind that, it will suit you perfectly fine. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video is helpful, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button. Until I bring you another video like this, hope to see you again.